Hey guys, I am back with another video. In this video I'll show you how to make scope scanline effect like 777. First, I clear to everyone who watched this video that I am not copy anything of scanline, and also those footage I used to make this effect, that footage not a copy of scanline, that footage I created, own, and if anyone have a problem so contact me on my Instagram link in description, and please subscribe my channel and like this video, and if anyone copy this video or copy my footage then I have a right to give a copyright strike. First I'll show you how I make my footage, let's see. That's how I make my footage. Now I'll show you how to make scope scanline effect, so let's see. Before we start this video, leave a like and do subscribe my channel. First, open your KineMaster and import your clip. After import, select a portion where you want to effect and capture a photo. Now open your PSCC app, link in description. Import your captured image. After import, select polygon selection tool and select the scope area. After I follow my steps. After save this image in PNG format. Now again open your KineMaster. Now import my footage and footage link in description, download it. Now import your PSCC image. Save this video. Now open your Alight Motion link in description. Import your clip. Import your saved clip. Now click on the blending mode overlay. Now duplicate this layer and export this clip, but don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye, thanks for watching.